Meaning of despondency.
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 Despondency. Despondency is a feeling of complete loss of hope or courage due to difficult circumstances or failure to achieve one's goals. It can be accompanied by a sense of sadness, helplessness, and pessimism about the future. People experiencing despondency may withdraw from social activities and exhibit a lack of motivation and energy. If not addressed, it can lead to depression and other mental health issues. Seeking support from loved ones or mental health professionals, practicing self-care, and reframing negative thoughts can help combat despondency.